Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today we will talk about how we can perform file upload vulnerability in our testing environment. So first, let's set our DVWA security at low. Now let's navigate to file upload. As it is saying to choose an image file to upload, let's try to upload an image file over here. Let's browse and select this image file and upload it. Yes, we have successfully uploaded this file. Now to view this file, let's copy this address and paste it over here. Click enter. This was the file that we have uploaded in this website. Now, as it is asking us to upload an image file, now let's try to upload a PHP shell or a PHP file that will execute a function in this website. So we can upload this file with this command, and what this command will do, it will ask the website to run cmd from the system. So let's save this file as cmd with PHP extension, and let's try to upload this file. Voila! We have successfully uploaded this file despite it is asking for image file. Now let's copy this directory and paste it over here. To run this command, we need to put a question mark followed by cmd, as we are using cmd as keyword in our program. And let's try to fetch the IP details using the ipconfig command. Voila! We have successfully been able to extract the ipconfig details. Now let's change the security to medium and try doing the same. Let's try to upload the same file. Okay, now it has given us an error that your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG images. So to bypass this, we will use burp suite. Now let's go to burp suite, turn on our intercept and capture this request again. Now let's hit on upload. As you can see that content type is application/octet stream. We need to change it to image/JPEG and forward this request. So as you can see over here, we have successfully uploaded this CMD file again. Now let's follow the same procedure to run this file with a question mark CMD, and let's check the ipconfig again. Voila! As you can see over here, we have been able to extract the IP configuration again. So that's how we perform file upload vulnerability in a website. As over here we were uploading just CMD files with a very small function, but we can also upload PHP shells if the website is allowing us to upload PHP files. So that's a very big vulnerability with a very high severity. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.